Welcome to this video, where we explore the key differences between product managers and project managers. These two roles are often confused because they both use the term manager, but they have very different responsibilities and focuses. Understanding the distinction is crucial if you're considering a career in either field or working with these professionals. A product manager is responsible for guiding a product through its entire life cycle, from the initial idea stage all the way through development, launch, and continuous improvement. Think of a product manager as the visionary who decides what features to build, who should use the product, and how it should evolve over time to meet customer needs. A project manager ensures that a specific project gets completed on time, within budget, and according to all the requirements that were defined at the start. Their main job is to keep things organized, track progress, manage the team, and make sure everything stays on schedule. They're focused on delivering the project itself, not on the broader product strategy. Product managers handle market research, conduct deep analysis to understand customers, define the overall product vision and strategy, manage relationships with various stakeholders, and prioritize which features to build first. Project managers, on the other hand, focus on creating schedules and timelines, tracking and controlling budgets, identifying and managing risks that could derail the project, and coordinating the team to ensure smooth execution. The product manager's focus is on the long-term vision of the product. They answer the big questions about what to build and why it matters. The project manager's focus is on short-term execution. They concentrate on how to deliver the work that's been planned and making sure it happens on schedule. A product manager typically works on timelines that span months to years because they're overseeing the entire life cycle of a product, from conception through multiple release cycles. A project manager usually works on shorter timelines, typically weeks to months, because they're managing the delivery of specific project milestones and deliverables. Product managers need strong business acumen to understand market dynamics, user research and empathy skills to understand customer needs, strategic thinking to plan for the future, and data analysis to make decisions based on evidence. Project managers need expertise in planning and scheduling, risk assessment to anticipate problems, resource allocation to use people and budgets wisely, and quality assurance to ensure deliverables meet standards. If you pursue a product manager career, you can advance to senior product manager, then director of product, vice president of product, and eventually chief product officer. If you choose the project manager path, you can grow into senior project manager, program manager, director of project management office, or vice president of operations. Remember these three key points. First, product managers focus on the what and why, defining product direction and strategy. Second, project managers focus on the how and when, delivering projects on schedule and within budget. Third, both roles are equally essential and require different skills, mindsets, and areas of expertise. Neither role is superior to the other. They're simply different career paths in the business and technology world.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.